Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to print your images or pictures on a MacBook. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our picture or image that we want to print. So for example, let's pick that screenshot right here. Now let's hold the command button along with P, and here we'll be able to print our picture. So choose the printer you want to use for that process. Also, you can change the presets if you have set any, and adjust the settings for black and white, two-sided, pages, all kinds of stuff. Now click on the print, and that way you'll print your image. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.